Hi friends. If you can please give feedback for my videos that is inspire me. Okay. Today I introduce a new TDL. Sometimes we B2B invoice wrongly enter in B2C or without GST number. This TDL help to prevent B2B invoice without GST number. First load the TDL. On gateway of Tally use Alt plus Control plus T key combination. Then use F4. Then select the TDL file path. OK, TDL loaded. Now I create two ledger. One with GST number and another one without GST number. OK. Now I try to enter an invoice. First I select B2B voucher type and select without GST ledger. OK, here is a warning message received. It prevent without GST number invoicing in B2B. Again I select with GST ledger. OK, there is no problem. I think this helped to error-free invoicing. If need this TDL, I give the link on the description. Send a access request. As soon as possible I give access. Thank you.